Alright guys, what's going on? So as you guys read from the title, I'm installing a new shift knob on my car. I already opened this box. It's really nice. Props to your attorney for this. I like the packaging experience here. So let's go ahead and take a look at this shift knob. It's a nice little design on the box. Pretty nice Apple experience. So it comes with a little zip tie, which is a very different type of zip tie that I'm used to seeing. Oops. Whoops. So here's the shift knob itself. As you guys can see, I opted for the air leather. The quality on this thing is pretty nice, not gonna lie. Comes with a badge. It says Black Forest Industries on there. Pretty nice crest right there. Once everything goes on, it should look something like this. So let's go ahead and jump in the car. Alright, so let's take this knob off. Let me go ahead and take off these screws here. I believe they're a T20. Yep, T20 it is. Okay, so there's the ring right there. As you guys can see, I painted it, but I don't really like what I did anymore. I mean, it was alright at first, but I'm going a different route with the interior. And then this boot just comes off. There you go. And we have the shifter assembly right there. Pretty much, yeah. Now what I want to do is take this off. I'll go ahead and flip this over a little bit. Alright, so that's how it's going to go. Because once I tighten it, I want it to face forward. So that's pretty much where I want it on the money. There we go. Now I just gotta slide it into position. There we go. Shift knob is installed. How does that look, guys? We got the finished product right here. This is perfect fitment right here. I didn't have to use the zip tie because the TT like shift boot cover thing is already kind of like tight. So I didn't have to use the zip tie like I said, and it holds everything nice. See, perfect fitment right there. And here's a little before and after. So I want to say it's slightly bigger, or it might be the same size, who knows. What do you guys think? It definitely weighs more though. Did end up adding a little finger thing of blue Loctite on these threads too, just so that it doesn't move when I'm shifting. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I think it goes pretty well. See, perforated, carbon fiber, no carbon fiber. I don't know, I think I might redo this. Just take this off or something. It needs a little pop. Maybe some black freaking bolts would be nice, or some different color, maybe to match the steering wheel and the little dials on the speedometer. Slowly but surely we're getting to fixing the interior. As you guys can see, this is going to be an upcoming project. That is going to be an upcoming project because I have mismatched panels here. And yeah, that glove box needs to get fixed. The stupid handle freaking just broke off just by itself. It wasn't even me, so don't blame me. This is gonna be it for the video. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below, and go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like
550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down.